Guys? So today I decided to roast some whole chicken. I didn't marinate this like I did the other one the night before, but I used the remainder of our marinade and barbecue sauce. So this is how it looks. So this is our oil, our brush, some water. I'm going to use this to sprinkle on it to still give it some moisture. And this is what remains from the barbecue and marinade mix. Okay, so I'm going to rub this on the chicken. So just brush it over, but each corner, like you're doing a painting, but this time on food. So I'm going to do this all over our chicken and flip it over. So I always set a timer for 15 minutes. So I've turned this over when it was 15 minutes, and I'll flip it over when the other side is done. So this is how she looks. So I'm going to flip her over. You can use a thong, but because it's not too hot, I'm just going to use my hand. This is the other side. It's browning nicely, so I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to first sprinkle some water to soften it. And especially the parts that burn out easily, like the tip of a wing and the tip of a thigh. So just sprinkle, not much, just for it to just be moist. Okay, so we're going to cover this up and set a timer for another 15 minutes. And by then, both sides should be ready. So we're using our Char boiled H2O smoker. I'm going to put a link in the description box below on where you can get yours, or any type of barbecue machine, electric, gas, or charcoal. See you guys when it's done. Bye, and Happy New Year. I hope the New Year brings us all our heart desires and abundance and love.